on different shit. In this life, no limits. Mama told me, boy, you limitless. And mom, yeah, thank you so much. Show me real love. You ain't leave me all alone.
Alright, what is up, guys? Back for another video. Sorry, my voice sounds weird. I got sick on the trip, but it is not COVID. I got tested. It's not COVID. But yeah, I got a little cold. But today, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook one of my favorite meals, my favorite post-workout meals. It's peanut butter banana, French toast, anabolic style, low calorie, high protein, all of that. So let's hop into the ingredients. A famous product on this channel, 40 calorie bread. Get it, super easy to fit it in your macros. 40 calories per slice. So it's that for the bread. We got a banana to put on top, just one banana. We got some egg whites in here. So this is 4 servings of egg whites. So 100 calories. I think it's like 184 grams. And then for the peanut butter, we're going to be using PB Fit. So I'm going to show you. We're going to mix it with some water. Make PB Fit, spread it on top. It's going to be low calorie, higher protein than normal peanut butter. So yeah, let's hop into it. Alright, I also forgot what goes in the egg white mixture where you're going to put the bread in. You're going to put a splash of almond milk. And then some vanilla and some cinnamon. I'll show you how I do it. I do it like a certain way to make every single piece of bread taste the same, sweet, cinnamony, all that. So let's hop into it. Alright, so like I've said on the channel before, I don't use oil. I use like canola spray. You can use any type of like oil spray, avocado, whatever. It's going to be no calories. It's going to make it so that it doesn't stick on the pan. So I just spray the pan like that with it real quick. And if you don't have a griddle, you don't have to use a griddle. I just do it because it's quicker. So good thing about this meal is that it's really filling, super high protein, low calorie, and it's going to only take like 10 minutes to cook everything. So the step is you just, in this mixture, you just get the bread and dunk it in there like that. Make sure it gets soaked like that, and then let it drip a little bit, and then just put it on the griddle. And the way I like to do it is, so you saw how I showed the video of me mixing it up and everything, putting it in there. So for each piece of bread, I put another serving of vanilla and another serving of cinnamon on each piece of bread. So each piece of bread, do it. You don't have to put the almond milk, but do the vanilla and do the cinnamon, because if you don't, like if you only put one serving in at the beginning, the rest of the pieces of bread aren't going to taste as sweet as the first piece of bread. So I put a serving of vanilla and a serving of cinnamon in it, mix it up before I put each piece of bread in the mixture. Yeah, you just throw it on the griddle. Pretty simple, guys. Alright, so we're going to let it sit there for a little bit. One mistake, I've been making this for a while, so one mistake I used to make is I would like press it down with this. This is to flip it. I would like press it down and make it cook quicker, which is fine. You can do that, but I found if you just let it sit there for a minute, it's going to make it really fluffy. Since this is 40 calorie bread, it's not as thick as normal bread. So I like to imitate it as much as I can. So if you just let it sit, let it cook, give it time, it's going to become more fluffy. The egg is going to make the bread fluffy. So just let it sit there and then flip it when the other side is brown. I'll show you that when it happens. Alright, so while the French toast is sitting on the one side, I just put it down, and I usually mix it up. So you just put a little bit of water. See how it turns to the same consistency as peanut butter. But make sure you don't put too much water in it, because if you put too much water in it, it's going to become really runny. And you just need a little bit of water, just a little bit, and just mix it up, and it mixes really good. So that's what's going to go on top of the French toast. I'm just going to let this sit, and that's it, guys. Once you let it sit, you flip it on, and then put the toppings on it when it's done. All right, guys. So the French toast is ready, all cooked. We're just gonna spread the peanut butter on there, put the banana on there, the syrup. Show you guys everything. Let's get into it. All right, guys, here's the final product. Look at that. So we got some sugar-free syrup, the PB Fit, some banana on there. Macros will be on the screen. Yeah, really low calorie, really high protein. It only takes like 10 minutes to cook it. Once you throw it on here, I mean, obviously it takes a little bit more time. If you're using a pan, you can only fit like 1 or 2 pieces of bread in there. But if you're using the griddle, it only takes like 10 minutes to cook everything. PB Fit, really low calorie, really high protein. Banana, healthy, it's fruit, you already know. It's a good pre-workout meal. It's a good post-workout meal whenever you want to have it. It's really filling. But yeah, guys, really easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave a like and subscribe. I'm trying to run this shit up this year. Please leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me. Follow your dreams, man.
No, they hate me, cause I'm a legend in the making. If that bitch with me, you know she caking. Curve that hoe, she sadly so mistaken. My girl, she too bad, shorty, you just looking